Okay, we're back. We had to redo the test because all the water leaked out. And I'm going to pour this in. Oh shoot, some of it came out. Shouldn't affect us too much.
Yeah.
Here we go. We are 10 seconds. And that's it.
And we did it.
21.44 seconds. That was the equivalent to about an inch of rain, and that all soaked in 21.44 seconds. I think this shows how well our progress we're making, and like I said, we're implementing the 5 soil health principles of
we're doing all these
reducing disturbance, covering the soil,
and we're beating off the
keeping a living root,
oh no,
maximizing diversity,
snail.
and incorporating animals. Cattle, chickens, and turkeys are my main livestock.
Today.
So yeah, 21.44 seconds. I think we're making good progress here.